Hi, media specialist friends. Cindy here, and I just want to give a quick rundown of just a few minor tweaks in the process for this year, given that we are going to have to do things completely uh, digitally, as opposed to sending me hard copies of your signed original form and any of your quotes that are for your school individually. So I'm here in our media specialist team drive, and I will be giving everybody access to this afternoon so that you can add things to the drive and also have um, edit access to your 590 accounts. I was holding off until I received from Deanna Denisar in purchasing the numbers that she is seeing on her end too for the 590 accounts. I know that many have gotten their numbers already from your principals, but things just run smoother when we're sure that Central is seeing what we think they're seeing, what we hope they're seeing, and that the process just has gone easier the last couple of years when I've been able to check the numbers for sure with Deanna on her end, just to make sure she sees the same thing that we think she is. Okay, so anyway, that is why it took so long for me to get everybody access and finish out this process because I just received those numbers from Deanna this morning. Okay, here in the Media Specialist Team Drive, if you go into obviously the 2021 folder, you'll see the PDF is here with your beginning balances that are hopefully exactly what you thought they were if you've already received those numbers. So there's a PDF of that. And then in here are, as I mentioned in previous emails, some quotes that we've already received from vendors. Tessa has added some things here as well. So these are ones that are for more than one school, the district-wide quotes or quotes that offer services to more than one school that we would be purchasing together. If we go back here into the 2020 drive, 2020, 2021 drive, the other folder here is for the school files. So what's different this year is that I have given each school its own folder. So if I go here into Barton's folder, you'll see there is another folder for you to put in any individual quotes if you've contacted vendors on your own, if there's things that you subscribe to that other schools do not, and you have received that quote on your own, please add it to the Barton only vendor quote or whatever your school is only vendor quote folder so that we can find those items. And then under that is the Google Doc for your school's 590 form. I mentioned this briefly in our last meeting that we had with Violetta and Allison and all the media specialists, that in order to do things this year to make sure that the principals have seen and approved all of the purchases, we are going to ask you to go over here to share and share the file with your principal once you've completed it and added the things that you're hoping to renew and or purchase for your school for next year for 2020, 2021. And once your principal has been given edit access, just ask him or her to please type their name in the green box here, as the instructions say. And then when we go into the history of the document, we can see that it was the principal who signed in using their Google CHCLC account and added in the text there, just so that there is a record on file somewhere of the principal seeing and signing off in some way to approve the purchases of these things. And again, we're doing that because for a number of years, this step was kind of left out of the loop, and the things went to media specialists, and then they went over to Central, and things were purchased without building knowledge in some cases, where Central just put some things through. And we just want to make sure that everything is done now where it goes through the same purchasing kind of chain of command approval as every other thing that is purchased for the building. So since these are funds being purchased out of individual building budgets, we want to make sure that the principal is a part of the process since they are for everything else purchased building wise. All right, please email or reach out if you have any questions or problems as usual, and hopefully things will run. My laptop went to sleep on me here. Hopefully things, that means I'm blabbing too much, right? Hopefully things will run very smoothly as they have done for the most part in years past. All right, thanks. Hope all is well with everybody. Bye.